When performing shaft alignments, the pump is generally fixed in position due to rigid piping connections, and all adjustments are made by changing the motor position. The first step is to determine if the motor base has a soft foot. This occurs when the base only rests on 3 of the 4 mounting points, like a wobbly table. This can be determined on small motors by simply rocking the motor by hand. On larger motors, a pry bar may be used. Note, all mounting bolts should be loose for this check. After identifying the soft foot, a feeler gauge can be used to determine the shim thickness required to correct the issue. A shim will be used to compensate for the uneven mounting surfaces. Soft foot correction is the only time we will install a shim on a single mounting point only. For all other adjustments, the shims will be installed in pairs or at all 4 mounting points. In this case, we need a 7/1000 of an inch thick shim to correct the soft foot condition. Locate a shim or combination of shims that is the correct thickness. This set doesn't contain a 7/1000 of an inch shim, so we will use a 4/1000 of an inch and a 3/1000 of an inch to fill the gap. Install the shim and verify the soft foot is resolved. The next step is rough alignment. We will use a straight edge in feeler gauge or shims to get the motor close to the correct height before engaging the coupling. After you determine the required thickness, prepare 4 equal shim sets to install. Placing equal shim packs at all 4 mounting points raises the motor evenly and avoids reintroducing the soft foot condition we corrected earlier. Install the 4 shim packs, then tighten the mounting bolts before rechecking the rough alignment. The bolts should be tightened in an alternating pattern as shown. To get the most consistent results, each time an adjustment is made, the same starting point and tightening pattern should be used. Now recheck the rough alignment using a straight edge and feeler gauge. Here we need to add another 10/1000. Loosen all 4 mounting bolts and adjust the shim stack to add 10/1000 of an inch. Shim stack should be kept at 4 to 5 shims maximum whenever possible. To add 10/1000 of an inch, we can remove our previously installed 25/1000 of an inch shim and replace it with a 35/1000 of an inch shim. Make the same adjustment at all 4 mounting points. At this point, we can engage the coupling and retighten the mounting bolts. Use the same starting point and tightening sequence as before. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.